that's where I belong. Any day, take me to that old cafe. We'll watch the teardrops drip away with everything we've known. 'Cause I know you outside. And when we get cold, cafe to my radio, a melody can soothe my soul. We'll sing a song or two. 'Cause without you, I'm just moving in between the sad reality. No, I'm patient, but I've been out here waiting for someone else to fill the void in me. A harsh reality. I've heard 'cause no one can love me better than you did, and I'm still not over it. Did you forget I put you before me? Memories haunting me knowing you gave it up instead. You did. Was it all just in my head? I'm worried that it all meant nothing. I'm worried that you don't miss me too. I'm worried that I'll never find